Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow. Imagine this. You arrive at a clinic for your appointment. You arrive early. Everything seems normal. But then something unexpected happens. The clinic cannot find your appointment. You know you booked it. You received the reminder message. So why can't they find it? In today's story, Emma visits a modern clinic and discovers that a very small detail can cause a surprising problem. As you listen, try to answer this question. What name was Emma's appointment booked under? Listen carefully. The answer appears later in the story. When you hear it, write your answer in the comments. Writing helps you practice English and remember new words more easily. Now, let's begin.
Wow, this place looks different.
Yeah, it does.
I thought there would be a line at the front desk.
Me too.
But nobody is standing there.
You're right, that's strange.
What's going on here?
Good question.
Look around. Everyone is looking at a screen.
Or their phone.
Maybe that's how they check in now.
Maybe. A lot of places do things online these days.
This is different from my old clinic.
What was your old clinic like?
You walked in and talked to someone right away.
Simple.
Very simple.
Well, maybe this is simple too, just different.
Maybe.
Do you still have your appointment today?
Yes, 10:30.
Perfect, you're early.
I always try to arrive early.
That's a good habit.
Thanks.
Do you see any signs?
Let me look.
Anything?
I see a screen over there.
The big one near the wall?
Yes.
Maybe we should ask someone first.
I was thinking the same thing.
There must be a receptionist somewhere.
I think so.
This place is busy today.
It is, but it's very quiet.
That's true.
Everyone seems to know what to do except us.
Not for long.
You sound confident.
We'll figure it out.
I hope so.
Come on, let's ask how check-in works here.
Good idea. Let's do that.
Hi, excuse me. Hi there, how can I help you?
I have an appointment today.
Great.
I wasn't sure where to check in.
No problem.
This clinic looks different.
We hear that a lot.
I expected a front desk line.
Most patients use self-check-in now.
Self-check-in?
That's right. How does it work? See that screen over there?
The large screen near the wall?
Yes, that's our check-in kiosk.
Oh, I saw that.
You can check in there.
Do I need an app?
No, not today.
That's good.
Just follow the steps on the screen.
Is it easy?
Very easy. Good. First, enter your name and birth date. Okay. Then the system will find your appointment.
Sounds simple.
It usually is.
Usually?
Sometimes people enter the wrong information.
I hope I don't do that.
Don't worry, I'm here if you need help.
Thanks.
After that, the screen may ask you to review your information. What kind of information? Things like your address or phone number.
I see.
Then you'll get a confirmation message.
And I'm checked in?
Exactly. That's much faster than waiting in line. That's the idea. A lot of clinics use this now. More and more every year. Interesting. Technology changes quickly. It really does. Go ahead and give it a try. Okay, I'll use the screen. Let me know if you need anything. Will do. Thank you. You're welcome.
Well, that was fast.
Did it find your appointment?
I think so.
That's good.
But now it's asking me something.
What does it say?
It says, please review your information.
That sounds normal.
Let me check.
Anything interesting?
Actually, yes.
What is it?
This isn't my address anymore.
Really?
Yeah, that's my old apartment.
How old is that information?
Pretty old.
A few months?
More than that.
A year?
Almost 2 years.
Wow.
I know.
You never updated it?
I guess not.
That sounds like you.
Hey,
I'm kidding.
maybe a little.
Just a little.
Well, I moved and got busy.
Life happens.
Exactly.
What's the address listed there?
Oak Street, apartment 12.
That's definitely your old place.
Yep,
You liked that apartment,
I did.
except for the parking.
Don't remind me.
It was impossible.
Every evening.
Your new place is much better.
Much better.
So what do you need to do?
The screen says I need to update my address.
Easy enough.
It also wants me to check my phone number.
Did that change jail?
No, same number.
One less thing to worry about.
True.
Go ahead and update it.
I'm doing that now.
Almost done?
Yes, just one more step.
Nice.
Okay, now it's loading.
And
That's strange.
what happened?
I don't think it found my appointment.
Hi again. Hi. How did it go?
Mostly fine. Mostly? The system can't find my appointment.
I see.
I thought everything was correct.
Let's take a look.
Thanks. Can I have your name? Emma Parker. Let me check.
Sure. Is something wrong?
I don't see an appointment under Emma Parker.
That's strange.
What time is your appointment?
10:30?
And it's for today?
Yes.
Did you receive a reminder message?
Yes, yesterday.
Okay, that's helpful.
I knew I had an appointment. I'm sure you do. Maybe I entered something wrong.
That's possible, but let's check a few things first.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
March 15th, 1992.
Thank you.
No problem. I'm searching again. Any luck? Not yet. That's not good. Don't worry, we'll figure it out. I hope so. Do you ever use another name? Another name? Maybe a nickname or a longer version of your name? Oh, anything come to mind? Well, my full name is Emily Parker. Emily? Yes, most people call me Emma. That could explain it. Really? Let me search for Emily Parker. Okay. One moment. Sure. There it is. You found it? Yes. 10:30 with Dr. Wilson. That's my appointment. The appointment was booked under your full legal name. Now it makes sense. That explains why the system couldn't find it. I didn't even think about that. It happens more often than you think. I'm glad we found the problem. Me too. So what happens now? Let me update a few things and we'll get you checked in.
So, what was the problem?
It was my name.
Your name?
The appointment was under Emily Parker.
Not Emma Parker.
Nope.
That's actually funny.
It is now.
At least they found it.
Yeah, that was a relief.
How long has it been since your last checkup?
About a year.
That's not bad.
What about you?
Longer than a year.
How much longer?
Let's not talk about that.
Jake.
Fine. Maybe 3 years?
3 years?
Maybe a little more.
That's a long time.
I know.
Why did you wait so long?
I always felt fine.
A lot of people say that.
Exactly.
But feeling fine isn't always the whole story.
That's what my doctor says.
Smart doctor.
Last year, I had a pain in my shoulder.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened?
I ignored it for months.
That sounds like you too.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Anyway, it got worse.
Then what?
I finally went to see a doctor.
And?
It wasn't serious,
That's good.
but the doctor said I should have come sooner.
That makes sense.
Sometimes people wait too long.
I think you're right.
That's one reason I came with you today.
To support me?
That too.
What's the other reason?
To remind myself to schedule a checkup.
Now that's a good idea.
Maybe I'll make an appointment this week.
You should.
I probably will. Honestly, this clinic seems pretty easy to use.
Once you understand the process.
Exactly.
Sometimes the first visit is the hardest.
After that, you know what to expect.
That's true.
And now I know how everything works here.
Almost everything.
What do you mean?
We still need to see if your check-in is finished.
Good point.
Looks like the receptionist is coming back.
Hopefully with good news.
Hi, Emma.
Hi.
Thanks for waiting.
Of course.
I have good news.
That's what I like to hear.
Everything is fixed now.
Great.
Your appointment is confirmed,
Perfect.
and your updated address is in the system.
Good.
We also added a note about your preferred name.
Really?
Yes.
That's helpful.
Next time, it should be much easier.
I'm glad to hear that.
You're all set.
So I'm officially checked in?
Yes, you are.
Excellent.
Please wait in the seating area near room 4.
Room 4. Got it.
A nurse will call your name soon.
About how long will it be?
Probably 10 to 15 minutes.
That's not bad.
We're running on time today.
That's always nice.
Do you use our clinic app?
I have it on my phone. Perfect.
Why do you ask? Some of your visit information will appear there.
Oh, that's useful.
You can also see test results in the app.
Really? Yes, I didn't know that.
Many patients like it because it's convenient.
I can see why.
You can also send simple messages to your care team.
That's good to know. And if you need another appointment, you can often schedule it there. That sounds easy.
Most people find it very helpful.
I'll definitely use it more. Wonderful. Thanks for helping me today. You're very welcome. I appreciate it. Happy to help. Well, I think everything worked out in the end. It certainly did. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. And good luck with your appointment.
Thanks. I'll head to room 4 now.
Well, that was an interesting morning.
It really was.
Everything worked out.
Yes, it did.
Let's review what happened.
Good idea.
First, we walked into the clinic,
Right.
and we were both confused.
A little confused.
There was no line at the front desk.
That's what surprised me.
Everyone was using a phone or a screen.
Exactly.
Then we learned about self-check-in.
The kiosk.
That's the word.
It was easier than I expected.
Much easier.
I just had to follow the steps.
Then something unexpected happened.
My old address appeared.
From 2 years ago.
I still can't believe that.
At least you updated it.
That's true.
After that came the real problem.
The missing appointments.
Exactly.
For a moment, I thought something was wrong.
Me too.
But the receptionist figured it out.
What was the issue again?
My appointment was under Emily Parker.
Not Emma Parker.
That's right.
A very small mistake.
But it made a big difference.
Then they fixed everything.
And I finally checked in.
You're all set.
That's my favorite phrase today.
Mine too.
I also learned something useful.
About the clinic app?
Yes.
The test results appear there.
And I can schedule appointments there too.
Technology is everywhere now.
It really is.
So what did you learn today?
First, always check your information.
Good advice.
Then, make sure the clinic has your current address.
Also important. After that, remember to use your full legal name if needed.
Very important.
And finally, don't wait 3 years for a checkup.
Hey, that sounds directed at me.
Maybe it is.
Fair enough.
Honestly, I feel much more comfortable now.
Because you know the process.
Exactly.
The next visit will be easy.
I think so too.
Good.
Thanks for coming with me today.
Anytime.
Oh, I think they're calling my name.
Looks like it.
Time to see the doctor.
Good luck.
Thanks. See you in a bit.
I'll be right here.
Great job finishing today's story. You listened to a real-life English conversation and followed Emma through a modern clinic visit. Before you go, let's learn a few useful expressions from today's story. We'll figure it out. This means we will find a solution. Example, My phone isn't working, but we'll figure it out. That explains it. People say this when they finally understand the reason for something. Example, oh, the meeting starts at 11. That explains it. You're all set. This is a very common everyday expression. It means everything is ready. Example, your table is ready. You're all set. Good point. This means that's a useful idea or observation. Example, good point. I should bring a jacket. Now let's go back to our listening question. What name was Emma's appointment booked under? Do you remember the answer? Write it in the comments below. You can also try writing your own sentence with one of today's expressions. This is a great way to practice English and remember what you learned. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow, relaxing, and practical English conversations. And if you'd like to support the channel and help us create more stories, you can become a channel member. Thank you for learning with us today. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep growing your English, one story at a time. See you in the next English Listening Stories video. Goodbye and take care.